NBA, the Nigeria Bar Association, they don't come outside, come tell us they are expecting the rule of law in Nigeria in the charge by the federal government of Nigeria against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the indigenous people of Biafra leader. Now we come they tell them say, oh, even things where they happen, other people will get case, so they need they even give them the judgment to everything for Nigeria now. Once you get money, you get there. Once you bribe yourself, you go reach there. Now so you be, but in Nnamdi Kanu case na like a bone wey dey for throat, e no fit swallow am, e no fit do anything. Na God grace, so e dey for their hand, because anything wey they don try, they know they succeed. So them now, they no know wetin they wan do again. So the only option wey they get na to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Hamadike, one of ndị Igbo. Guys, I want us to look into this matter. One of our brother don come outside, come tell us say if you get money, no you go invest am for inside Nigeria. He say the money wey you invest for inside Nigeria, e don japa. But I want you this one, tell our people one secret wey they have to know about all these things wey dey happen now. Where you go, the best place where you go fit put your money, so that all this canteen, you know, go come outside for social media, come they tell us, but we'll get there. The current situation in Imo State right now, so they talk. They say that the ACAs, where the Imo State police they collect, they say that one now they know they talk am. And as a bill like this, inside last week, they say the general of a police, or the IG of a police, don't come outside, can't tell them to remember what happened during SARS. Warn the police officers to be careful of how they are extorting people for no reason. No be smart, you know. Now, I'm going to play the video of this our brother. May you hear what he talk, how he take all the whole money wey himself for Nigeria, how he take go, before we come back and continue. Wetin wey dey important wey we wan tell our people for this video. Just listen.
They say Nigeria no good, Nigeria no good. Na same Nigerians they buy Nigeria. Na same Nigeria. If you are abroad, you want to come here to invest, think twice, save your money there, don't come here. I just opened Amala place. 50 people working, making money from there. They chop it in 5 months. I spent 105 million to set it up just to create more job. They finish it in 5 months because they know I'm not always around. I have a farm in Ibadan. Before I traveled last month, Fulani henchman brought his cows. They chop all of my cassava. When we carry our reach station, they offer 40,000 for 8 million worth of investment for the same country where we dey. So now think of it, my estate in Abuja, 26 tenants. Out of the 26 tenants, I've been able to remove 4 by removing their roof. 21 is still there. They are hiding in court. They say let court give 2 years rent. They are owing. Wicked nation. I don't think refinery can work. I don't think anything can work in this part of the world, because the people that lives here, self-centered, evil people. I believe before December, petrol service should be 1,500 to 2,000. It is good for them.
My wonderful people, when I don't hear wetin talk, he say that if you get money, you there blood, make you keep am for there. That one no be better advice, so, and that's why I bring this video to tell our people. I know say our people they current. Now, let me tell you, if you get money, we be say you no trust anybody for home, because most of us are victim of all these things he's saying here. And myself, I'm number one. So what you have to do is that make sure if you have documents, you can travel, go home, go and buy a secured land. Do all the necessary documents and keep that land. Know where your land is. Maybe you can show somebody you trust, you understand, the place. In case of memory loss, someone will still know where your property is tomorrow. So my people, no go keep your money for abroad though. Abroad, you know, easy, you know, even safe to keep money, because now that your money now be their target. So invest home, but invest wisely. For this Tinubu regime, no go put your money for any business where you know they there. You ask person making the looking for you. Now so it be for my matter, and now say I bring am come share una. I beg my wonderful people, I want us to watch may you see waiting police. They do the ordinary marwa, what are they calling it? These keke bus drivers. How they take they collect money for these people? And I'm asking, is their work to collect money for people for Southeast? What is happening? What have Southeast done to Nigeria to deserve this kind of a thing? Just watch. This is what the government of APC have brought to Nigeria. And what we are seeing right now is a tax collection government. My people, e get one ogbonge news wey we wan carry come. That one, I don't know how you go take see am o. God, things are happening as we dey talk right now. We are in regime of tax collecting government. Everybody is taxing. Even the kidnappers, they tax. Everybody is taxing everyone. So this is what is going. So tell me, if this bus driver now are carrying herdsmen or are carrying government or are carrying anything, and this man as a policeman have collected 20 or 100 or 1,000 and let this person pass without, maybe if he is there to check and without doing any checking, those people have passed position themselves will turn back and buy him. Yes, they will turn back and buy him because he allowed them to go and position themselves and come back to buy him. So I don't know what is actually happening currently as we are speaking, but this is too much. If they see a young boy that has a car, like they always target these Lexus and JLK and Mercedes, they always target this guy. They see a young boy that they don't even want to know what the person is doing. They have concluded it that you are a Yahoo boy. And the next thing they are telling you is to pay money. This is what is going on. My people, you don't read though. You don't read for this last one. As we talk right now, you don't read. They say they don't go catch Ondo State governor with his sachiko for inside the London. No be small thing. I don't know wetin can happen. Like the woman wan use a blow finish this governor face. So I don't know how the children or the wife go dey see this kind thing for social media. However, we go bring the video come for you. May you watch. May you see wetin APC don bring. You can't give for inside Nigeria. Just dey watch.
You don't have a right to speak. People are lying against him. Do whatever you want to do. You are here. Did you see? Did you see? Rosie. You did. You test me. You have the right to stay here.
This is her husband. This is her husband. You will not go. You will not go. You will not go, sir. You will not go. You will not go. You will not go. You think to yes. You will not go. You didn't social media there. Social media.
I want to talk to you.
Yes, social media.
You leave my clothes.
No, you were attacking her. You just
No.
You
I
were
want my
chasing me.
glasses.
Oh, the shokushin.
I'm on the moon glasses.
Yeah. Lórí social media, wọ́n kọ́ bí ṣùgbọ́n kí àṣírí ẹ̀ tuntun. Àṣírí ẹ̀ tuntun. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ bá lọ ṣẹlẹ̀ wà nílẹ̀ látàárọ̀. Yóò lè sọ pé how as a man will speak on the submission yẹn. Stop attacking her. You do not have a right in this room. You do not have a right here. You are not a tenant here. You do not have a right here. Your glasses is there. Only run here. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ti mú ẹ ọ̀nà òfin sílẹ̀kùn. Ó sọ pé ọ̀nà síbi iṣẹ́. Ọ̀nà sùn pẹ̀lú kẹ́rẹ́ẹ̀dì. Ìyàwó ẹ̀ ti mú ẹ.
My wonderful people, tell me the time this man will have to think something good for his own people that elected him to power. There's no time. This is a totally shame on this country. Please share this video as it is hot.